Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video I'm going to teach you how to set time in Python. So in the previous video we have been learning how to get current date, current time and so on and so forth. But in this video I'm going to teach you how to set time in Python. So first of all, import the module called datetime. Then you have to create a variable. So in this variable I'm going to set my time, so I'm going to say datetime. So it is pretty simple, you don't need to worry about anything. First of all, you have to enter the year you want to set and the month you want to set and the date you want to set. That's it, all about it. So now you have set your time and you can print out on screen and you can see if you execute this program, your time has been set, and you can see that the time has been set successfully. So if you want to go for hours, and you can also use the hours is going to be 18 and so on and so forth, and after that you can put your time and so on and so forth. So this is how you can set your time. So if you want to get only the year, you can type year and it will get the year only, like that. If you want to get the month, you can type the month, it is going to get the month for you. And if you want to get the hour, you can type hour, you can get the hour for you. So otherwise you can use strf time method to get, for example, if you want to get the minutes, you can use m. I believe this time is going to be returned in the minutes and so on and so forth. So basically this is how you can set time in Python. So in the last video I have taught you how to get the current time. It is pretty simple. You can type now and you can get the current time and you can play with it. So if you want to set the time, you have to put parentheses and you have to pass your time parameters to this function. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video is going to be very useful for you. I will meet you in the next video.